This is the Land Rover Discovery 4 key for 2010 to 2016. Now I'm going to show you how you can change the battery. You need the key and obviously the battery. If you look at the battery, it's a CR2032. So firstly what we need to do is open the key up, and on the bottom of the silver strip you'll see a little arrow, little triangle. That means it's going to go that way. So we're going to then put your finger over there, go to leverage and just clip that off. That just pops off. And then the key blade, you can slide the key blade out, move this little thing up so you can get a little bit of leverage, and then you'll see a hole over there. Pop this key blade in there and just give it a turn left and right, and then it just clips off. Once it's off, you then take the old battery out. It just slides out, and then I always just push it down a bit just to give it a bit of tension for when you're ready to put the new battery in. And then slide the new battery into the little section there, and then you get the back, just line it up so it just is all lined up, and then just give it a little bit of tension, a little bit of press, and it clips closed. And then you take the key blade, pull that down, and then just slide it in position, and then the silver strip, don't forget the little triangle a little upwards, and then it just clips closed. And that's it. That's how you change the key, battery, or the battery in the key on the Discovery 4.